Hey everybody, this is Hayden with Trade in Tech again, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a directory listing. Now under this section we have both the members section as well as the directory. Now the members is specifically organized for personal names. So you can see here we have Noah, we have Hayden, we have Raylon, we have Chris. We have designed this to be very personalized. Now the directory is for businesses, and under this section I'm going to show you how to set up your own business directory listing. Now you can see we have multiple different categories here. You want to make sure you select the correct category to put your business in, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's all complete. So this is a very simple laid out profile as well of a directory listing. Now in order to do this, what you do is you actually go to add new page here, and you're going to select the specific category you're under. So let's say you're a wholesaler. You can also then label your specific company. So let's say Hayden's company. Oop, there we go. We can create that page and you'll be able to go to the landing page here. Now you'll have multiple different things you can set up. You can again set up your category where you're here. You can name your company and the specific page it lands on. I suggest landing on the home page because it will display all the other options as well. You'll then be able to go to the information section and enter your information. Now you'll be able to go to this section as well under the photos and upload any type of photo that you have. Now we suggest doing smaller pictures. We have maximum file size of 8 megabytes. You should be able to upload everything from that point. You can then go to the permissions as well and see everybody who can share your blogs, share your events, post comments, all of those types of options. So if you want to limit access to certain things, you can do that as well on your profile. You can also invite all of these specific users on the platform to join and like your business, and you can invite them by email or personal message as well. You can then go through here and customize your URL. So we can say Hayden's company and it will create that specific URL. Looks like that's available and it's set. You can go through here and add other admins too if you like. So if we can add, there we go, Chris, for example, we could add as another admin. And we can go here and set up any new widgets. Now we have widgets with their simple little blocks where you can set up and add your name, your company information, all those types of things as well. And then you can enter in your location once that's all set up. Once you have everything designed, you can press this little button and you'll be able to go to your page. Now as you can see, you can also go here and upload your profile image and change things as well. It's very nicely laid out. Now when it's all finished and you have everything customized, this is something of which it will look like. You can post on here as well if you are, whether you're a member or if you want to invite other people here to post on your platform too. This is great for giving inventory updates, getting buying and selling requests out to other people who like your profile. Now the first people who jump on this and build out their company, you will gain a lot of attention because this is brand new. And if you ever want to redo things or just delete it, you can just go here and you can delete the page as well or re-sign it to somebody else. Guys, this is how you set up a directory listing for your business. Make sure to set this up, set up the specific images as well so you stick out and become recognized on our platform. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something, and I'll see you around.